Our mission is to grow people. Hello, I'm Jonathan Martin, grandson of RoyOMartin Sr., who founded our company in 1923. We celebrate our 95th year this year. I'm here on a tract of land that we've owned as long as I've been alive. And behind us, this large pine tree is approximately the same age. So you can see how the company has grown, how the tree has grown. The tree's grown because it's been nurtured by the soil and a good root system. The company has grown because of our good root system. We're founded on our values: riches, respect, integrity, commitment, honesty, excellence, and stewardship. The strong roots of the tree support it. Our strong values support us.
This office was built in 2001 and represents the modern era of RoyOMartin. My grandfather started in 1923 with one rundown sawmill and no timberland. Today, we have over 550,000 acres of FSC certified timberland and 3 of the largest wood panel plants in North America. Our pursuit of excellence, passed down by my grandfather, my uncle, and my father, have enabled us to pursue excellence regardless of market conditions. We strive to manufacture excellent products, maintain excellent processes, and develop excellent people for a committed, competent, and contributing workforce. And those things have not changed in 95 years.
One of the keys to our growth is knowing what to change and what not to change. We've changed through many businesses throughout our career, and mine alone has seen us in and out of different manufacturing, retail, other endeavors. But we continue to know when to change and what to change. Just like growing a forest. The foresters know when it needs to be cut, when it needs to be thinned, when it needs to go back. But what remains the same is the roots and the soil. The soil is the thing the trees nourish and grow in. Well, we've nourished and grown because of our commitment to excellence and stewardship in everything we do.
We expanded in 2006, essentially increased the size of the plant by 35%. You know, in 2000, we were 375 people, and now we're just short of 700. We worked 1,700,000 man-hours in 2017. That is a lot of people. Here we are in 2018 with another expansion with the addition of 125,000 board foot dry kiln. Is really all about utilizing the stand of timber in the best way possible and making the most economic sense out of growing trees and turning them into dollars.
I thank God for being blessed, enabling me to work for RoyOMartin Company for 26 years. When I first came to RoyOMartin, I only came for 2 months to pay out my car. And I'm still here. I tried leaving, but they would not let me go. I miss Mr. Ellis because he always knew when my birthday was. And even when I was working, he would tap me to make sure that I knew he was there. And then here come Uncle Johnny. And he's still loving up on me, and I'm grateful for that, you know, being part of a great family. They care about us. It shows.
In 1983, we opened one of the first OSB plants in the United States in Lemoyne, Louisiana. And we operated that plant up until 2007, when we closed it down and opened a brand new facility in Oakdale, Louisiana.
RoyOMartin has been a trailblazer in the OSB industry. Over the last 40 years, we've seen the housing industry change dramatically. We've seen a shift from commodity-type products to energy-efficient products. we have stayed ahead of their needs. I am very proud to be part of a company that is always innovative and looking for what is the next step in this business.
I have had the fortune to work with RoyOMartin's team in Oakdale, Louisiana, and I now have the opportunity to work with our team in Corrigan. Our one team, one dream concept of reaching excellence, or what we call world class. We strive for this at both facilities. I can remember times when we've set production records in the past, and it's like, it's like winning the World Series or the Super Bowl without the ring.
When you think in terms of excellence and pursuit of excellence, we think about our productivity and the quality of our products and what we bring to the marketplace. We make some of the best plywood, some of the best OSB. We grow some of the finest timber, all in pursuit of excellence. And that same mindset, that same cultural mindset certainly does apply to the workplace and safety in our workplace. We have an accountability to one another to be our brother's keeper. And I believe in zero is about just that. Zero injuries is our goal. If you don't think that's important, just talk to one person who's been involved in an accident at work and or at home and see if zero injuries resonates with them. So if we have the ability to be better, we have the responsibility to be better.
I've been with RoyOMartin, the company here now for 8 years. We've recently achieved 11 years without a recordable accident. Every year they give an award out for Brother's Keeper, and this year I was honored to win that award. I really got to thinking, so I talked to my supervisor and asked him, I said, is there a way on Monday mornings, that we can end our Monday morning meeting with prayer? God allows us to work safe, and we've been rolling with it ever since. And I never would have imagined 8 years ago that I would have gotten an award for a prayer meeting.
My grandfather, RoyOMartin Sr., left Memphis, Tennessee and went to Alexandria, Louisiana because he wanted to control his own destiny. He wanted a Christian business with a moral base. So he started acquiring timberland when it was unpopular to do so. And it's been our philosophy ever since. Timber is somewhere around 60 or 70% of the cost of our products. We want to control our costs.
Our goal in the Land and Timber Department is to identify the highest and best use of any particular natural asset that we manage. To ensure sustainability, each year RoyOMartin plants millions of trees, which is a material amount more than we actually harvest each year. In 2014, Forest Stewardship Council awarded us the Leadership Award for Forest and Land Management. This award means a lot to us in that it recognizes the accomplishment and the excellence and the goals that Forest Stewardship Council promotes. It's all about stewardship.
Not only do we control some of the forest that we cut, we also control our plants, we control our marketing, and on the employee side, we have our health services, we have our clinics, we have our doctors, we have a surgery center, and we have our nurses in every facility and our chaplains. We want not to control for the sake of control. We want it because it builds a healthier forest, it builds a healthier family, and builds a healthier company.
At RoyOMartin, our people are our #1 asset. That is not just a slogan. I see it in everything we do, in every decision we make. Over the years, we have developed so many workforce development programs. Development is crucial for the success of any business. Our newest workforce development program is Women in Manufacturing. We started that program in 2017. It targets middle school and high school females. We believe that if we educate and empower these females, they too can have a successful career in our company. We have so many success stories today in women in manufacturing. I hear many of them say, I don't know what I would do without my career at RoyOMartin, and actually I'm one of them. I definitely believe in women in manufacturing.
I 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 believe in women in manufacturing.
A couple of our benefits that we find are most appreciated are our medical home, which we just relocated to a central location for most of our employees, and we look forward to bringing that to Corrigan soon. And also our new benefit for 2018, our pharmacy.
Well, I feel like this pharmacy really was started for patient care. On top of the cost savings, but this company truly cares about the health of its employees. That's why the clinic was started. The people that work at the clinic truly care. They don't just come to work. They have hearts, and they really care about everybody that walks in here. And the pharmacy is just an extension of that. It's refreshing to observe RoyOMartin's commitment to its employees. As a newer member of the medical team, I help represent just how much RoyOMartin has grown over 95 years.
So this past year, in the spring, we opened our newest facility, Corrigan OSB in Corrigan, Texas. It is an 800 million square foot per year OSB plant, new technology, same product. Corrigan is ideally positioned among the two highest growing housing markets in the continental United States, and that's Houston and Dallas, not to mention San Antonio. And that's our future, is growing our business to serve our customers and keep our people employed.
I hired on about 2 years ago as production manager to help them open the Corrigan OSB facility, and I'm very excited to be a part of a company that has a long tradition in pursuit of excellence.
I'm an attorney at Gold, Weems, Bruiser, Susan Rundell. I've been here since 1971. I'm on the board of Martin Sustainable Resources, and I've been on the board for 45 years. And every minute has been interesting and fun and rewarding. As far as excellence is concerned, I would say that that's something that has been consistent through the generations that I've watched and worked with RoyOMartin, from Roy Jr. and Ellis, and their desire to make the company and its overall objective for the family be the very best that it could be. They never wavered. And when Johnny and Roy III assumed their leadership roles, they took the company to a new level with the help of the other third generation family members. And now they're passing those same values of excellence and stewardship onto the fourth generation as well. They were never satisfied with being second. They all wanted to be the best, and I think they've been successful at doing that.
It was expected that they'd been trained to come up, and they came up and they followed the family traditions of work and honesty. Both of them were active church members. So this was their heritage, and they were going to take care of it in good shape. And they've done, I'm real proud of them, the way they have expanded the outreach of the company's influence.
As I stop and reflect on what came before us and what's going to come after us, I know it's been because of our commitment to excellence and stewardship and all of our values. So I represent the past and where we have been and the excellence I've tried to provide to the company and our employees. And my grandson, Ryan Ellis Monroe, represents the future and his commitment to those same values. When we have the ability to be better, we also have the responsibility to be better. We're confident these values can see us through for another 95 years. God bless you.